Primetime news this evening, a school in crisis. More disruptions at St. James High as leadership issues drag on. Recreational and fisher interest still cautious after recent Rehoboth pollution incident. And political parties closer to finalizing their slate of candidates ahead of the general election.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
Good to see you. And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news. He's not standing next to me this evening. It's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, I tell you what, downtown Kingston is undergoing a major transformation, but there's a view it holds immense untapped potential. The details later on in the business day.
Thank you, Log. And Renata Brown has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. It's track and field season.
Yeah, so Archie, clearly Anthony Log knows what day it is. You can see his tie and his jacket. But guess what? It's March 24, which means that Champ starts tomorrow. But who will win? We'll tell you all about it in Primetime Sports Monday. Also, Waver Hines respond to comments made by Minister Olivia Grange. We'll tell you all about that. Can't miss it.
Am I to assume that the two of you are St. George's College? I'm looking at the colors.
Oh, me?
You and Renardo.
No. I went to St. Jago.
Yeah, so where's the green tie?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yeah, thank you. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Guess what? It is about champs, and we're asking what events are you most looking forward to at the 2025 Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championship.
So much to look forward to. Share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can post on X as well at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.